Hello guys, today we are diving into a fun and essential part of language learning on Duolingo, how to add friends. I'll also explain common reasons why you might face issues adding friends on Duolingo. Let's get started. So, adding friends makes your language learning experience more engaging. You can compare progress, compete on leaderboards, and encourage each other to stay consistent. It's a great way to stay motivated. Now, to add friends by their username, first of all, navigate to Duolingo application on your mobile phone. It will open up this interface. Make sure you're logged in or signed up on Duolingo application. After you do this, to add your friends, simply click on your profile icon at the bottom of the screen. So this is profile icon. When you click on this icon, it will show up this page. Here, you can click on Add Friends button just under your name. You will see following followers and add friends button. Click on this small plus icon that says add friends. It will take you to this page. Now, on this page you have three ways to add friends. The first one is choose from contacts. When you click on choose from contacts, Duolingo will ask an access to your contacts. So click on allow button and it will show all the contacts or your mobile contacts you will have who will be signed up on Duolingo. So I have 57 contacts signed up on Duolingo. I can simply click on the small plus icon after their name and a friend request will be sent to that friend on Duolingo. Now I can also click on search by name and I can easily enter the username of any of the friends that I will have on Duolingo and click on search. That person's name will show up here where you can easily click on the plus icon. So simply ask your friends for their username and click on the add friends icon and they'll be added as your friend. Now, the third way to do this is clicking on share follow link. When you click on share follow link, it will show up this page. Now, you can choose WhatsApp, Instagram, X, Facebook, save this image or more. When you click on more, you will get more options to share this link to. Now, whenever someone is going to click on the link that you're going to share, they'll be easily added as your friend on Duolingo. So, sharing your profile in the app is pretty easy and it is a good way to do this. You can also click on this share icon and simply choose WhatsApp. For example, I will choose this contact and click on share. And when this person is going to click here, he'll be added as my friend on Duolingo pretty easily. Now, I'm going to tell you some common reasons why you might not be able to add friends on Duolingo. So, over the years, many users have encountered issues when trying to add friends on Duolingo. In theory, adding friends is really straightforward. But when it doesn't work, it can be really frustrating as sometimes it isn't obvious why it's happening. Now, if you're also facing the problem, I've done some digging and I've put together some of the most common reasons for not being able to add friends on Duolingo. Now, the first reason why you might not be able to add friends on Duolingo is classrooms. So, if you're a part of Duolingo classroom, then you might find that you're not able to add friends. This is usually to do with restrictions that the head of the classroom places on the group. Unless they decide to change these restrictions, you may need to leave the classroom if you want to be able to follow other users. Now, another common reason why you might not be able to add your friend is your age. If you're under the age of 13 and this is the age you have used on Duolingo, then you may run into difficulties while adding friends. Similarly, you won't be able to follow a user that is 13 or under that age. Now, another reason could be privacy settings. If your Duolingo profile is set to private, then you won't be able to follow other users. A lot of users do this because they don't want to participate in weekly leagues. This is fair enough, but one thing they don't account for is that they will lose their ability to follow other users. To check your privacy settings, you will need to log into your account on desktop or open your profile, then select privacy. Make sure there is a tick next to make my profile public. Now, another reason could be inactivity. If you don't use Duolingo regularly, then Duolingo will mark your account as inactive. When this happens, you will not be able to follow other users. But it's an easy fix. All you need to do is complete a lesson and your profile will be marked as active again. If this is the reason you weren't able to add friends, then wait for 24 hours before trying again and the issue should be sorted. Now, another reason could be following too many users. Finally, if you're following too many users already, then you may not be able to follow any more. Currently, you're only able to follow up to 1000 other accounts. Once you hit 1000, Duolingo removes your ability to follow any more accounts. The solution here is pretty obvious. If you want to follow another users, you will need to unfollow someone to make a space. So, these were the reasons why you might not be able to add friends. And that's everything you need to know about adding friends on Duolingo. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Let's learn and grow together. See you in the next video.